goes. Okay, again, today is 6/20. Wait, will it focus? Will you focus? There you go. 6 October 2020. Unboxing a Canon S21, which I just got in the mail a few days ago. I don't remember when. Been trying to get to this, to be able to get to it, to do it, to check it out and all that. Alright. And I'm shooting this with that camera, which I've had forever, which is a Canon HF M41. But this is a HF S21, so it's actually better than that camera. I paid like, that was an $800 camera way back when. I paid like, I think either $400 or $600 for that camera. I can't remember, it's been a long time. And so, without further ado, this one here is here. There is no music, it's just me talking and all that. Another person I knew got me involved in upgrading my cameras, so I said, well, let me start looking around seeing what's better than the camera that I have there, because a long time ago, I didn't bring it out here, but I bought a Canon R50 thinking that it would have a viewfinder. It didn't have a viewfinder. It's like, well darn, well this one has a viewfinder just like that one does, but this one has an extended viewfinder, so I can use a larger battery on it, so I can do what? So I can use a larger battery, so I can shoot longer, so I don't have to use the flip out panel to record the video with, if you understand what I'm talking about. Because otherwise you have to flip out the panel, which uses a whole lot more electricity than the the viewfinder anyway. So, all right. So now I want to be careful getting in. Well, okay, that's fine. Getting into this, because this is a rather small box for somewhat bigger. Okay, great. So we've got it, and this is packaged rather well. This came from wherever. And because it came from eBay, I want to make sure I've got a checked battery. I checked it with my FS100 camera, which is the one I've had forever, which still works. It's just it's a very low resolution camera, but still takes sharp video and all that. So now, what's in this happy package? In this package is all the So we get here's a battery charger. It's a Castar, K-A-S-T-A-R battery charger. You see those on the internet from China for dirt cheap. And then we've got a, what else we got here? We've got a brand new, no it's not brand new, it's been used, it's been opened. So, but here's a 32 gig SanDisk card, so it's been used. I thought it was new, but nope, it's been opened. So, okay, put that down. We've got a battery, unknown value. We've got a cord, I guess an X-strap, something I've never used, but there it is. So we got that. This is my battery, so put this over here. And then this container should be the camera. Okay, great. So it's a bigger camera. Yeah, it's a bigger camera, bigger diameter, bigger everything, like that. It's got, well, it's already got two. Okay, this camcorder has, let's see, I can zoom in, right? This camcorder has 64 gig of memory already in it, whereas my M41 only has 32 gigabyte of memory inside of it. So this one has 64, plus this one has 2 chips. So here's one, which is a, what is this? Oh wow, that's really old. There's a 2 gigabyte chip. Oh boy, that's ancient. And what's this one? This is a PNY 4 gigabyte. Looks like a class 4, I think. That's really old. Those are coming out, but they're in here for the time being. I didn't read these. Well, it comes with the battery. So wait, we got a battery and another battery. Okay, so here's a battery. I'm not so sure how to turn this thing on. So let's see. Here's the power button, and it comes on. I don't know if you heard that, but it's on. So we've got 34 minutes of battery power left. And if you can see that, or maybe you can't, but anyway, so that works. Said it was supposed to be in excellent shape, and it is. It's working still, like it showed in the pictures. Great. So I will. I don't have to try installing my battery in it, but it takes a BP808 battery, and it has the, the deal that you can do this. So theoretically, you can close that, and should be a button here on the side. So you start, stop. No, I want to. Would this turn on the viewfinder? I don't know. Well, on mine had a switch at the back end to turn this thing on or off. Oh, maybe this is it. No, that's a dot topper. Yeah, that didn't do anything. I'll have to learn about how to turn this on, but this has an 8 megapixel sensor as opposed to that one over there only having a 2 megapixel sensor. So that's what's better about this. Here's the advanced mini shoe, and the thing that's most important to me is having the microphone input right here. So we got that. This is your HDMI input deal, so you got HDMI and USB, so like that. Here's your manual, cinema, and whatever else position. Okay, it's just manual. And okay, so I wish I knew how to. Well, that turns. Okay, that's just standard for recording. So I'm recording now. Okay, so I'm looking at that, and if I hit stop, and then we have review. Let's see here. That should be review. Oh, we've got videos on here. He forgot to undo the videos. Well, here, let me just tip on mine. Well, that turns, okay, that's the standard for recording. So I'm recording now. Okay, so I'm looking at that. And if I hit stop. Okay, so I just recorded and played back a video that I made with this camera. Like I said, I have to delve into it and figure out how to make it all work correctly. Here's your custom dial in the front, which, okay, too much fun. Alright, well, great. It works just like it advertised, so that's all I know. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Let me zoom this thing in. Let's see here. How well can I zoom it in? How close do we get? Here's the, well, that's what I should have done. Well, okay. So here it is, the S21. Where does it say it on here? There it is. It says it right there by my finger. Okay, so there's that. Comes on. Here's the, well, here I can play my video once again. So if I click on that, wait. Well, that turns, okay, that's the standard for recording. So I'm recording now. Okay, so I'm looking at that. And if I hit stop. Yep, works. Very good. Alright, so I just, anyway. Alright, so we turn this off. Say good day, bye-bye, thank you. Nice camera, I have to learn how to use it. And that's all I know. So I always like to make eBay, make unboxing videos of things I buy off of eBay just to make sure that I didn't do anything wrong unboxing it and so on and so forth. So here's looking at you. Thanks. Good day. Alright, so wait, come on.